Usha Gajpatraju from Visakhapatnam. This is my terrace garden where I grow all my fruits and vegetables. I have been composting for almost like 5-6 years by now. Composting is a very beneficial method of reducing our vegetable waste being thrown into the dump yards. The city can be made so beautiful by composting. Composting can happen in a very small pot or in a khamba or plastic containers or ready to use compost bins. So let me show you my compost bin now. So I have been using 120 liters my green bin and 3 50 liters my green bin along with a huge khamba pot. As I have my own terrace garden, I need lot of compost. So I take up all the vegetable waste from my entire building, which comprises of 5 apartments or 5 flats, and then at times I may even end up getting vegetable waste from Raitu Bazaar. And for doing this, I have bought my green bins because they are very hassle free, as they have this air filter inside, so I don't have to churn up the entire compost. So whereas in a khamba we need to move the entire pile of the wet and dry waste so that the air is circulated inside. For this we don't have to do the churning of or mixing up of the compost entire pile. Here we just have to add the inoculated microbes which comes with the bin. And it is just a coco peat with inoculum. We add 1-inch layer of inoculum powder at the base and then start adding our vegetable waste. So every day when we add the vegetable waste, you just have to sprinkle a little bit of inoculum powder which comes along with this. And it is so hassle free, I don't have to bother about it. Once in a week I just have to empty the water that is released as leachate, which has a tap opening underneath the bin, so that I collect and I also use that as a nutrient for my plants. This is the empty compost bin which I have just emptied it, and this is the aerator that I have been talking, which helps us in avoiding churning of the entire compost pile. So the water gets collected into this place and we can collect it. That is the leachate. So now I'll show you the compost that I have generated. This is a huge bag of compost. So this is the compost that has come out of these bins. So I hope all of you will enjoy composting because it gives a very nice thick earthy smell, and it's very rich in nutrition for plants. Thank you.